When we think of depression, we usually picture the brain, our command center for thoughts and emotions. For decades, mental health has been seen as a matter of brain chemistry, focusing on neurotransmitters like serotonin. But new research reveals the brain is not an isolated fortress. It's in constant communication with the rest of the body. What happens in our gut, immune system, and even our limbs can profoundly affect our minds. This challenges the idea that depression is just a brain issue. Imagine your body as a city. If the power grid or sanitation fails, City Hall feels the impact. Science now shows that mental health is a whole body issue, not just a brain problem. To truly understand depression, we need to look at the entire system, from head to toe. Let's explore how surprising parts of our body, beyond the brain, are linked to our mood. The journey to mental wellness is about understanding how deeply connected our physical and mental health really are. If mental health isn't just about the brain, where else should we look? Surprisingly, our legs. A 2025 study found a strong link between the amount of fat stored in our legs and depression risk. It's not about total body weight, but where fat is stored. Using precise scans, researchers found that higher fat in the legs and hips was most strongly associated with depression, especially in men. This link was even stronger for people who were underweight or overweight. The takeaway? Fat distribution, not just the number on the scale, matters for mental health. Our bodies are complex systems, and even the fat in our thighs may influence our emotional well-being. This opens up a new frontier in understanding how our bodies and minds are connected. How can leg fat influence mood? Scientists point to two main reasons. First, biology, fat tissue is active, releasing inflammatory chemicals called cytokines. These molecules travel through the bloodstream, reach the brain, and can disrupt mood-regulating chemicals like serotonin. Second, psychology, body image matters. Societal pressures about appearance can lead to shame and low self-esteem, fueling depression. The stress of not fitting body ideals adds a psychological burden. When biological inflammation and psychological stress combine, the risk for depression rises. So the link between leg fat and mood is both physical and mental. Our bodies and minds are in constant conversation. Understanding this interplay is key to better mental health. The body-brain connection goes beyond our legs. Systemic inflammation is a common thread linking physical health to depression. The gut, for example, is home to microbes that influence mood. When gut health falters, inflammation can reach the brain. Chronic pain is another example. More pain means higher depression risk, driven by inflammation. Studies show markers like C-reactive protein explain why widespread pain and mood disorders often go hand in hand. Whether it's leg fat, gut health, or pain, inflammation acts as a distress signal from body to brain. Depression isn't always just a brain disorder. It can be a response to physical distress elsewhere. What does this mean for us? Mental health is inseparable from physical health. Reducing inflammation through diet, exercise, pain management, and gut health can help protect our minds. These aren't just lifestyle tips, they're direct interventions for mental wellness. Traditional treatments like therapy and medication remain vital, but a whole-body approach adds new tools. Imagine a care team psychiatrist, therapist, nutritionist, and physical therapist all working together. Treating the whole person, not just the brain, is the future of mental health. Our bodies constantly send signals. Depression can be a sign of imbalance elsewhere. By listening to these signals, we can take a more compassionate, effective approach to wellness. The health of your brain depends on your body, and vice versa. It's all one interconnected system. Your health, your story.